Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Sit up slowly and drink 250-500 ml of water to rehydrate cells and kick metabolism. Once done, put on shoes and a light layer to lower friction for movement. That reduces the excuse loop. Move your major joints with 1-2 minutes of dynamic mobility, neck, shoulders, hips, ankles, to prime neural pathways. Make sure to focus on breath. Slow inhales, longer exhales. These first steps shift you from passive waking into intentional, moving readiness for the rest of the morning. You keep going. Use 10-15 minutes of low-impact cardio, brisk walk, stationary bike, or stairs to raise heart rate and loosen connective tissue. Once your breath is steady, add 5-10 minutes of targeted strength, bodyweight squats, plank, single-leg balance to anchor stability and neural efficiency. Alternate intensity in short blocks. 30-60 seconds work, 30-60 seconds recovery to prevent overload and build consistency. Make sure to include mobility between sets to maintain range of motion and keep motion. You finish with a calm cool down. 3-5 minutes of easy movement, then 1-2 gentle static holds or foam rolling to normalize tone and help recovery. Once done, habit stack the routine with an existing morning event, coffee, shower, or getting dressed, so the motion becomes automatic. If you hit persistent sharp pain or overwhelming fatigue, stop and reduce intensity or duration. If symptoms continue beyond 48 hours, consult a professional. This approach ensures consistency, safer progress, and fewer setbacks over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.